Welcome to the Woodshop stop. Today I'm going to do a review on the Craftsman 6-inch bench top jointer. Here we have the lock for the dual blade system, the on and off switch. We have a variable speed control knob right here. It goes from 1 to 6, I believe it is. And then you have your blade height adjustment knob here. Once the blade has been unlocked with the other knob, then you can adjust the height. You unlock it here, and then you can adjust it up or down. And you see the red indicator moving as I turn the knob. This has been a very good jointer for me, even though it is a bit smaller. Like I said, it is a 10 amp, which most benchtop jointers out on the market now are 15 amp. Here you see the blade system. It's on a cylinder, 2 blades on a cylinder attached by Allen bolts. This is a 6-inch wide base. Here you can see the blades and how they are attached to the cylinder. There's 4 bolts you have to release to replace the blade. Like I was saying, this benchtop jointer has been pretty good. It handles everything I throw at it, but it would be nice to have something a little beefier. This 10 amp equals out to about a 1.5 horse, and a 15 amp would equal out to about 2.5 horse. You saw the locking mechanisms for the fence. Here is the fence, and I'm showing you that it is dialed in at 90 degrees. It's not that difficult to dial it in. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hit the like button for sure. Here I'm showing you the methodology that I used to attach it to this cart that I made. This cart brings it up to about the right height that I like for working. I just used 4 screws to attach it to it. The cart was a quick build. As you can see, the jointer is secure, but the cart was very simple. Just a simple cart with 4 wheels. 2 free wheels on the front without locks, and 2 free wheels on the back with locking mechanisms. I use a chalking block, as you see, or chalking board here to chock the wheels in the front, and then I lock the back wheels so it's locked in place and it's stationary and it won't move when I'm working on the jointer. This system has worked very well for my small shop. There you can see it's pretty stationary. The jointer is inexpensive. It was only it was less than $300 when I bought it, and I've had it for over 2 years. I connected a hose so I could attach my dust collection system to this unit. As you can see here, I'm attaching the hose. It's a good idea to have a dust collection system attached to this jointer, because when you start jointing wood, the wood chips really fly. And here I'll show you, I'm using some hard wood as an example. And this piece was out of square, so I'll square it up. This is a white oak, so it's very hard, dense. They recommend shorter pieces for this jointer, but I've used pieces up to 36 inches long, so 3 feet or longer in some cases. It's just a matter of how you apply the pressure to the board as you send it through, keeping the pressure equal all the way through the cuts. And as you can see here, it squared this up nicely. And left a good finish as well. Here I'm showing you an example of softer wood, which is a piece of cake for this inexpensive jointer. This is, I believe, pine, a white pine. And it was rough sawn, so I put a finish on it, and then I edge jointed it. I face jointed it and edge jointed it to bring it to square. The next step will be to take it to the table saw. And as you can see, it squared that up with no problem. Like I said before, I've been pretty happy with this 6-inch base jointer from Craftsman. The price was right. Now I'm using a hardwood and a wider board to give you an example of how that works on this inexpensive Craftsman jointer. These paddles come along with the system or with the unit for safety, and I would advise using the paddles when possible. Once again, I flattened the face, and then I did the edge to make the board square on the two sides. That's the Craftsman benchtop jointer 6-inch tabletop. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the bell notification. Thank you.